I'm in. Wardrobe.
Big wardrobe, lots of space, can do some ironing as well.
What I always love to do when I'm on holiday.
Nice safe, so store the cash before we go to the casino.
30 quid more per
TV,
night as the standard.
desk space.
Oh, that's fancy, isn't it? Little coffee machine thing.
Quite a nice sized mirror. Bed looks decent size.
Yeah.
Pretty, not too hard.
Seems nice actually.
Some complimentary robes.
And slippers.
A nice chair there to relax in. Quick tour of the bathroom.
If I can get the light on.
Get the right lights on.
There we go. Oh, the shower looks nice.
Looks like a decent sized shower.
Yeah. It's big.
Yeah.
Looks nice, isn't it?
And our view. What's the view like? Can we?
It's the arena.
How that looks. Not a bad view, I'd say.
Bad. This is cute. I like this.
It's English breakfast. Dinings, green tea,
Green.
hot chocolate.
Look at that. I mean, it looks pretty fancy as well.
Yeah.
Ariba.
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 Biscuits.
Biscuits on the cups there.
And if you need a bit of freshness,
I know. Have you ever seen a packet of polos come with a room before? I mean, that is bonkers. Oh.
our free mini bar
This is a haul, isn't it? Corona.
has Corona Extra. Got 7-Up can.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Gin and tonic. London Dry.
Bit of Gordon's. Look at that.
We've got cranberry,
Smirnoff.
vodka. Bit of vodka if you want a bit of that.
Vodka.
Captain Morgan.
Nice.
Pepsi. To
Look at these little
Two.
lovelies.
Prosecco's. And some water. One's sparkling, one still.
Yeah.
Plus a host of chocolate, which I didn't even know was there.
Look at that.
A Mars bar.
Oh, little chips.
Some chips.
Yeah.
Some more chips.
I quite like Twix.
And a Twix.
Yeah.
I do as well.
Wow.
Which we could have with a nice cup of tea.
With a cup of tea. And there's some little milks here as well for your tea.
That's what you get in a minibar in a Superior Double at the Genting Casino Hotel.
It's all free.
All free.
Every day.
Every day you stay
You could
here.
scoff the lot and they'd fill it up again the next day.
Just keep going and going and going.